Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to easily find the Explore Gaming videos feature on YouTube using your PC. Let's begin. Step 1. Open YouTube, launch your web browser, and go to the YouTube website. Step 2. Click on the menu bar. Look for the 3 horizontal lines, usually located in the top left corner of the YouTube homepage. Click on it to open the menu. Step 3. Scroll down to Explore. From the menu, scroll down until you find the Explore option. It is usually located towards the bottom of the menu. Step 4. Select Gaming. Within the Explore section, locate and click on the Gaming option. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can explore various gaming videos and content. That's it. You have successfully discovered the Explore Gaming videos feature on YouTube using your PC. Enjoy exploring and discovering exciting gaming content. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials.